In this video, I'll show you how to check in online for Pegasus Airlines in 2026. First, visit the Pegasus Airlines website or open the Pegasus mobile app. On the home page, find and click the online check-in option. Next, enter your reservation number and last name to access your booking. Once your flight information appears, review the details to make sure everything is correct. After that, select the passenger you want to check in. If you're traveling with others on the same reservation, you may be able to check them in at the same time. Now, continue through the check-in process and choose your seat if seat selection is available. Then confirm your information and proceed to the final step. Once the check-in is complete, download your boarding pass. You can save it to your phone, add it to your mobile wallet, or print a copy if you prefer. Finally, arrive at the airport with your boarding pass and any required travel documents, and proceed to security or baggage drop if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check in online for Pegasus Airlines in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.